I'm joined by Craig Horwood, Managing Director of Hobs Repro, part of the innovative Hobs Group, which is operations spanning 3D immersive technology, 2D printing, reprographic services, and technology businesses in the UK. Thanks, Craig, for joining us.
No problem.
You have several sites across the UK, and I think I'm right in saying that you're also a Royal Warrant holder, is that right?
Yes, we really are. We've held it since 2005. Something we're very proud of, we cherish, it's always a pleasure to be working alongside the royal household on different projects.
And your client base seems to span a whole spectrum of different industries. Can you just give me a bit of an insight into that?
Sure, it's pretty wide-reaching. So we support the AEC industry, so architects, engineers, construction, as well as professional services, the creative sectors, advertising, marketing, and even into the likes of the medical sector as well. So yeah, pretty far-reaching.
And why did you decide to get involved in briefcases?
Well, we got involved from our meeting at the awards last year. The year really has flown by, I think, for I'm sure everybody. But it felt very natural. It's very much in tune with our ethos of our company. We already run our own academies, both for creative services and also for 3D technologies. On top of which, we also support local communities with work experience, and of course, we take interns each year as well. So it just felt completely right thing to do, and I'm really glad that we did get involved as well.
Fantastic, and it feels like a natural fit, which is fabulous. And why did you choose web to print as your theme?
Yeah, it could have been one of so many different services that we provide, but I felt that web to print being very current, it also with the students both from design and illustration that we were working with, it felt like there was the space for them to be creative within the project, and that very much came true. The creativity that's come out of this has been just tremendous to see, and so many of the pieces are just full of energy and have really resonated with us.
Fantastic. And in terms of the outcomes, how do you feel that they've done, particularly in this unusual year?
Yeah, well, what I would say to begin with is that every single student who's worked on this project has done a tremendous job in such a difficult year and difficult circumstances, we would have loved to have spent more time working with them, in the classroom and supporting them in that way. But I think that all credit to everybody involved to keep the project going. All the deadlines were hit, which is absolutely tremendous. And I think that, albeit there were so many pieces of work that really, really did excite us, there was certainly that of Sensit, which was Stacey Richardson from the design course. That really resonated, and I think providing an innovative way of giving those who needed sensory learning the opportunity to obtain the material was just first class, and very excited about that particular project. Also, that of Olivia Jakes on the illustration course. Olivia has done a very commercial piece, which is called Pretty as a Print, and is very much, Olivia's seen an opening in the market where that of the beauty industry, all the beauty salons required print and point of sale information, but had no consistent way of obtaining it, and therefore it became very piecemeal in their displays and in their branding. So I think, full marks to both Olivia and Stacey. Two very different projects, but equally as interesting, and just very, very proud of the work that they've come up with. I think if I could just also go on and say a couple of words about John Hudson, and also Matt Buckingham, who again bought straight into the project and the course that we were wanting to get involved in. And I think that their energy and their focus has really resonated with the students, and has got a lot to do with the quality of the work that's come about. So I think well done to absolutely everybody involved.
Fantastic. Thanks so much, Craig. Thank you.
Pleasure. Thanks.